We are here in the lake. You see how beautiful the mirror of the trees. Yeah, I thought there are grown trees on that lake. Then it's just the mirror of the trees they're standing. See how beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful.
There's so much more oxygen.
Huh?
Oxygen in the air.
Oh, I want oxygen because I lack oxygen. There is Mr. Yeah, you're seated there, but I think there are already mosquitoes.
Very soon.
Huh?
Very soon. We'll see mosquitoes.
Oh, the bird is there. You see, oh, he's like, oh, yeah. We are just 50 meters from the lake. There's the house of Jim, the cousin of Ken. Yeah, there, that one. This one. And here, I'm showing where the house is, where we stay. There. See? We are living in the lake. Lake house. They call lake house. Ayan. Enjoy the night here.
The moon.
Oh,
Sliver.
where?
Sliver moon.
Huh?
The moon is the sliver.
Oh, okay. Sliver?
Yeah.
Okay.